Today I'm going to show you how to use mind maps in Taskade. Alright, so we are now in one of our projects. What we want to do over here is on the left, you'll see if your chat is open, this is what it will look like. You want to go in here to one of your projects. So we're now having a look at a specific project, and you'll see over here at the top, there is the mind map view. Now, once you open the mind map view, you'll be able to actually go in and edit everything. So let's just close the chat over here. We can also click these three lines and we can close the workspace. All right, now we can actually click down. You can see here that there are many options when you are looking into each one of these cards. And here, if you want to move them around, you can click down and drag it. And then you can add additional extensions. So you can say new task, add a new task. You can use the slash commands over here. Let's say we want to brainstorm. It'll now take us through and we'll now be able to brainstorm. You'll have to upgrade for that. But now you can just create additional cards like this, and you can map them wherever you want. If you want to move them here and you want to move them around, you can do exactly that. You can also add blocks. So literally just go in here, add the block that you need to add in. And then each one of these, you have all of these options. If you click on the three dots, all of these options in for each one of these blocks and each one of these sections.